Good day guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I have a new video. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can make sales on clickbank using free traffic. Like I've done a video before, like 4 days ago, on how you can make sales on clickbank using free traffic from Facebook group, like a personal group, and how you can promote your group to have members who are interested on your niche, like the niche you are promoting. So today I will also be talking about free traffic on like how you can generate sales on clickbank using Facebook, but it will be another thing entirely, another aspect. But if you haven't watched the previous video, kindly watch it to actually help you. And please help me to subscribe. I only have 233 subscribers currently. Please subscribe to my channel, help me promote it so others self can benefit from what I'm posting here. So without wasting much of your time, let me dive into the video. So what we'll do in this video will be like brief. What you have to do is that since you have watched the previous video, you set up your profile to tally with the niche you're promoting. So what you have to do here is you have to create a fan page. Like I will not show you how you do it. It's simple because creating page is very simple, but I'll just give you the tips you have to know. Like you go over to like create your page, like you can just create I'm going to say you're promoting weight loss. Creating page is very easy. Just tap on create page. When you create page, you ask you for the name of the page, the category, the subcategory, the profile picture, and the cover photo of the page. And that's very easy to get. When filling out the form, you be brought over to your page. So in your page, you have to do some editing. Like your cover photo must like almost tally with your profile cover photo. Like it must be telling them about what the page is all about. Like if I can show you, like this one now, it's just a demo. Like you can see now, if someone see this, you know it's something related to weight loss, but I don't use this channel, this page, sorry. And secondly, what you have to do is you create button, like you add button. When you add button, you select the button as lemon. You can add button, select the button as lemon. You can also put like lemon. Where is lemon? Let's tap lemon, and what you have to do is you input your Facebook group link there. You know, in the previous video I already told you guys about profile and group, but now I'm talking about page, profile, and group. Now you add your group link there to the lemon button. So this is what you're doing here. From your page, we giving free tips about weight loss. We sharing, you won't promote anything on the page. Like there's a link in the description below, like a how you can like how you can be posting daily, like the tips, like time you should be posting so out Google algorithm can rank your post and make your post go viral fast. So just check the link in the description and download the PDF, and you see basic tips to post on pages and groups so as to get many likes and members. So what you have to do here is, you post on your page, like I'm posting on weight loss, like 4 tips how to reduce weight loss. You give them tips, then under the tips, then I put like okay, under the tips, then you now like ask questions so that people interact, because interaction is very important. So that people comment. Anytime people comment, you do like you reply double 2 times so as your comments can be much. Then when you post, you can share your page post to other groups. You will share your post on similar groups of the same niche. Like you go to search here. Sorry, you go to search here. You come over to home. You search. You search for like weight loss groups and join as much as you can join. Then what you have to do is when you post on your page, you share it to all those groups that you have joined. Then when people comment, you just go there and reply their comments, so that interaction is very important, because Facebook algorithm usually rank posts with lot of interaction. And apart from that, you on your group, like on your group, how you be promoting your links, your affiliate links. So people from your page will go back to your group, and from your group you start make. So from your group you will promote your links there, your affiliate link, because groups, Facebook can't like ban your group because it's your personal group, so you can promote anything you can. But on your page you can't promote anything, because if you promote anything on your page, you will your page will get removed or disabled. Why I included page here is that, groups, you need to like promote your group, and once people join your group before you can have them as members. But on like Facebook page, when they all like your page, anything you post they'll be seeing it, and like is an easy stuff to get. And even though you're unable to get likes, surely you're able to get likes. You can also use Facebook ads to get likes at cheaper rates. That was the fact there. And using Facebook page, like linking your Facebook page to your group, makes your group get much members, and if you have more members you have more sales, like more people to buy your product. So what I'm just trying to say all through this video is that once you have your profile must tally match your group and your page. That means what the niche and the cover photo must match each other. Like you should like try to tell the people or the members what your profile, your group and your page is all about. That means if it's weight loss, the three that means the page, the group and your profile cover photo must be talking about weight loss. Then on your pay on your profile, I've explained everything regarding profile on the previous video, so go and watch that previous video if you have been to watch it. Then on your group, I've talked about that also, but the group on, you just create a group, weight loss group there. Then you pin, that means you pin your affiliate link at the top. That means you write about it like this is the best weight loss solution that is actually working for plenty people. Then you now put your affiliate link there, then you pin it to the top. Then for the page, what you have to do on the page is you create your page, add a button, link your group to the button. After that, you will be posting valuable stuff for give them free tips, then promoting your pages on similar groups. Then when people start liking your page, be interacting with them. That means if people are like commenting, you can DM them, chat them up if they need anything, ask them question, keep promoting. Then from your page people come to your group, so data is done. And if you can like go to those groups you join, those similar groups you join, you can like go to the group, then be checking posts there. If it's like someone can post on the group like I'm looking for a product that can cure that can reduce my weight, sorry. Then you can just comment like you won't promote link and you tell the person to DM you. You can just comment like um use so and this, or you just drop your tips there. So through there people will check your profile. When you're interacting in the group, people notice that this guy is always giving tips and giving good reply. So through there, people will check your profile. From your profile, people say, oh, this guy is he really has he's talking about weight loss, so like he do weight loss products. Then either they DM you or they click your link on your profile, as I've said told you guys in the first previous video. So that everything is done. So thanks for watching. Kindly hit the like button, comment what you are really facing on your affiliate marketing, whether you are able to generate sales or not. Just comment yes or no. If you are able to make sales, comment yes. If you are unable, just comment no. And if you are new, kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you.